Sidekick is no easy task. This competition will test your strength, stamina, and endurance. The winner will be whoever makes it...
Actually, it's whomever.
The winner will be whomever makes it through all of the unimaginable hardships and brings me the red flag I planted atop the incredibly dangerous but inaccurately named Mount Safety.
Actually...
What's going on here?
Nothing I can't handle.
Actually, I'm just gonna lie down in the fetal position and weep.